We did a video yesterday on Premier African Dream, and today this is even better. We covered this about 3 weeks ago in a video saying that to me it was pretty much a foregone conclusion. It was just a matter of when. We knew the government would want to make money, and we knew Kodal Minerals had this supply ready to rock and roll. It just needed this export license, and today we received that. So let's get looking straight at the RNS that came out this morning. Kodal Minerals, the Mineral Exploration and Development Company, is pleased to announce that the export permit for the spodumene concentrate produced at the Bogani Lithium project in southern Mali has been received. The project is operated by the local Mali registered mining company. The letter was authorized by the Ministry of Mines, signed by the Minister of Mines, Professor Amadou Keita. I hope I said that right. The export permit is approved for an initial 125,000 tonnes of spodumene concentrate, subject to the continuation of final administrative steps for the export process. The letter specifies confirmation of the pricing mechanism based on the Shanghai Metals Market reference price for spodumene, which we looked at yesterday and we will look at again. Granting of the transportation contract directly to the Malian transport companies in accordance with the previous laws related to the local content in the mining sector, payment of taxes, duties, all that good stuff. The company can confirm that the offtake agreement finalized for the project utilizes the SMM and the referencing for pricing. In addition, the project has signed a transport contract with a leading Malian transport company for the export of material from site to the port location in the Ivory Coast. Now we'll have a look at what Bernie has to say about that in a moment, but we remember we get paid 95% of port. So once we get this to the port, we get paid. The other 5% comes on delivery. That's huge, and this has all been ready to rock and roll. And we've seen pictures of Bernie recently. He looks very happy, and he probably knew this was just about to happen. That's why he's been so happy. He went on to say the granting of the export license is a critical step for the development of the Bogani project, as well as Mali's burgeoning spodumene industry. The permit further underpins the continued support of the Mali Ministry of Mines and the government and their interest in the further development and expansion of Bogani. Final administration processes will be completed imminently, and the mobilization of the trucking fleet to site will commence as soon as possible. That is a brilliant RNS. That is exactly what we've been waiting on, and now it looks like money is going to finally start coming into Kodal for this Bogani Lithium project. Now today the share price has reacted positive, up 7%, which is lovely.